Toast versus Clover versus Square 2025. Which POS system is best? Choosing the right POS system can make or break your business. Today, we're comparing Toast, Clover, and Square in 2025 to see which one comes out on top. Toast is a restaurant-focused POS that shines in the food service industry. Most people get this wrong. They assume any POS works for restaurants, but Toast offers tableted ordering, kitchen display integration, and menu management. You won't believe what happens next. It even tracks ingredient inventory in real time, helping reduce waste and control costs. Clover is more versatile, suitable for retail, restaurants, and service businesses. It has a modular design, allowing you to pick hardware and apps that fit your workflow. Clover's standout feature is its app marketplace, which lets you add functionality like loyalty programs, appointment scheduling, or employee management. Square is known for simplicity and mobility. It's ideal for small businesses and pop-ups, offering fast setup and affordable hardware. Square also integrates with e-commerce platforms, making it easy to manage online and offline sales together. Pricing varies. Toast charges monthly with some hardware bundles. Clover offers flexible plans depending on device and features, and Square has a free basic option with payment processing fees. Your choice depends on your business type, scale, and the features you need most. So, which POS is best? For restaurants, Toast is hard to beat. For multi-industry versatility, Clover excels. For simplicity and affordability, Square leads the way. The surprising truth is that the best POS isn't always the most expensive. It's the one that fits your business workflow, helps you save time, and improves customer experience.